Next topic is of immunity. What is immunity? Immunity, that ability of the body to fight against the pathogen, is known as immunity, or the overall body of the overall characteristics of the body that will be fight against any type of disease causing agent, that is we known as immunity. Immunity is of two types. Immunity that is of two types: innate immunity and another is of acquired immunity. Another is of acquired immunity. Acquired immunity. Innate immunity is again divided into four types, that is physical, physiological, cellular, and fourth is of cytokine barrier. That it is a particular type barrier: physical barrier, physiological barrier, cellular barrier, and cytokine barrier. And acquired immunity is of two types, that is active and another is of passive immunity. Active immunity and another is of passive immunity. Now we studied that first type of immunity, that is of innate immunity. What is the innate immunity? The immunity, or such type of immunity which is present by birth in human being, that is of innate immunity. The innate immunity is present by birth, which obtained from the parents. The type of innate immunity that is we obtain from the parents, sometimes it is present by birth, that is of innate immunity. It has different types of barriers in our body, that are, first one is of physical barrier. The outermost physical barrier in our body, that is of skin, which protect us from the different types of pathogens. Physical barriers, the outermost body portion, that is of skin, which protect our body from prevent the different microbes or pathogens. Like that, mucus present in our mouth, in gastrointestinal tract, or in different internal organs. The mucus is there, which also prevent the entry of microbes and protect from these causative agents and kill the growth or stop the growth of the different types of microbes. Another type of tears from the eyes, that is also prevent the growth of microbes. So these are physical barriers which is present in our body. Second type is of physiological barriers. Physiological barriers, such type of barriers that release the particular type of chemicals from the body with the help of physiological activities or metabolic activities that destroy the pathogens, just like acid in stomach. That whenever we intake the food material, our stomach releases acid that destroy the different types of microbes. Like that, tears, not tears including the physical immunity, tears including physiological. In physical, that is of skin and mucus. Is there? physical immunity, physiological, that acid from stomach, tears from the eyes which stop the growth of microbes in our body, and saliva that is released in the mouth during the inhaling of intaking of different food material. So these are physiological chemical substance which is released in our body, that is of physiological immunity. Third type is of cellular. It is the particular types of cells which present in our body and protect us from the different types of microbes, just like WBC which is present by birth in our body, and the specific WBC PM polymorphic nuclear leukocytes. Polymorphic nuclear leukocyte is a type of WBC which protect us from different types of pathogens. I say like that. Lymphocytes is another type of WBC which also protect our body from the different types of pathogens. So these are the particular types of cells. These cells protect us from the pathogens or microbes or causative agent of the diseases. And third type of cytokine. These are the substance, particular types of chemical substance which is released by the virus infected cells. And that is known as interferon. Cytokine is a barrier. Cytokine barrier means the particular type of chemical substance which is released by the cells, and these substance released by the virus infected cells and known as interferon. Interferon protect the non-infected cells from the further infection of virus. जो वायरस से इन्फेक्ट नहीं हुई है उन सेल को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं जिससे कि आगे इन्फेक्शन नहीं फैले. So that immunity that present by birth, physical immunity which is that skin and mucus, physiological immunity, different types of acid which is released in stomach, that saliva released in mouth, and tears that released through the eyes. Cellular, the cells WBC, polymorphic nuclear leukocytes and lymphocytes, cellular immunity, and cytokine barriers, that is interferon, which is the particular type of substance which is released by the virus infected cells and protect the uninfected cells from the further infection of virus. Second type of immunity is of acquired immunity. The type of immunity which is acquired after the birth, we gain after the birth or we gain during the lifetime, that is of acquired immunity. But the innate immunity is present by birth. Innate immunity is present by birth, and acquired immunity we acquire during the lifetime or gaining during after the birth. Acquired immunity has two specific features. First one is of specificity. Specificity, it is the type of immunity which is differentiate or differentiate the different molecules or different components or different foreign pathogen, जो कि अलग अलग तरह के पैथोजन को आइडेंटिफाई कर सकती है, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द फॉरेन मॉलिक्यूल्स. सेकंड टाइप ऑफ मेमोरी बेस्ड. इट इज अ memory based means type of immunity, the type of immunity which is the memory based, in which the particular person affected from this particular type of pathogen, first time it gives low intensity, low response, but the same pathogen attack the particular person, that time it gives intense response. So that memory is present, or the particular types of antibody is found inside the body that gives intense response whenever same type of pathogen attack the particular person. So it has two features, specificity and memory based. But the acquired immunity is of two types. First one is of active immunity. What is the active immunity? Active immunity, that it is memory based. We can say it is memory based and it is developed by the body. It is developed by the body, prepared by the body during the lifetime. It is developed by the body during the lifetime. It is developed due to vaccination or another is of developed during natural infection. Developed during natural infection. Active immunity developed by the body during the lifetime. Whenever we expose through any bacteria, any agent or any foreign pathogen or any foreign molecules, our body gives response against that molecules or pathogen. But first time it is gives low intensity response, but the second time gives high intensity response. So developed during natural, if we affected from any pathogen in nature, that time that is developed, or by the vaccination. So it develops our body during lifetime, that is the active immunity. Another type of passive immunity. Passive immunity, it is not developed by the body. Whenever we require intense response against the pathogen, immediate response against the pathogen, that time ready-made vaccine, ready-made antibodies provide us from the outside the body. That is of passive immunity. जब ऐसी कंडीशन हो, जब इमीडिएट डायरेक्टली बॉडी को रेस्पॉन्स करना हो, उस टाइम में बाहर से रेडीमेड एंटीबॉडी या रेडीमेड केमिकल्स प्रोवाइड किए जाते हैं जिससे इमीडिएट रिक्वायरमेंट हो बॉडी को, तो उस तरह की इम्यूनिटी को अपन पैसिव इम्यूनिटी कह सकते हैं. ये कब आती है? ड्यूरिंग द स्नेक बाइटिंग. Suppose snake bite, a snake is bite to any person. That time we provide the active immunity, in which first time that gives slow response, second time give intense response. That is not required. That person will die. So we require such type of chemicals or such type of antibody. We use first time intense response. तो पहली टाइम में इस तरह का रेस्पॉन्स दे जिससे वो उस पैथोजन को या फॉरेन प्रोटीन को किल कर सके, विच इज इन स्नेक बाइटिंग. दैट इज ऑफ पैसिव इम्यूनिटी इन विच बॉडी डू नॉट वर्क, जिसमें बॉडी का कोई फंक्शन नहीं होता. जबकि एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी के अंदर बॉडी का फंक्शन होता है और बॉडी उसके अगेंस्ट में एंटीबॉडी प्रिपेयर करती है. लाइक दैट IgA. IgA, it is a type of antibody which is obtained from the मदर्स मिल्क, कोलोस्ट्रम. कोलोस्ट्रम से जो मिलती है वो डिफरेंट पैथोजन से बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट करती है. वो रेडीमेड एंटीबॉडी है जो कि पैसिव इम्यूनिटी के अंदर आती है. इसी तरीके से स्नेक बाइटिंग का दूसरा एग्जांपल बताया, और IgA रेडीमेड जो होती है, दैट फॉर नॉट लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन. इट इज फॉर द लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन, बट the passive immunity is not present in our body except for the longer duration. What is so immunity of two types, innate immunity and acquired immunity. But if you see the immunity response or immune response, it is of two types. Immune response, that is of two types. First is of primary. Primary response. Primary response gives first time when our body is exposed from foreign pathogen, foreign proteins or causative agent. That time our body gives slow response to against that pathogen. जब अपनी बॉडी किसी पॉजिटिव एजेंट से एक्सपोज होती है तो उस टाइम में बॉडी में कुछ भी नहीं होता, कोई एंटीबॉडी नहीं होता, उसकी प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर पाती. दैट टाइम आवर बॉडी प्रिपेयर अगेंस्ट सम एंटीबॉडीज एंड गिव्स स्लो इंटेंसिटी रेस्पॉन्स, दैट इज नोन एज प्राइमरी इम्यून रेस्पॉन्स. सेकंड इज ऑफ secondary response. Whenever same pathogen attack the same person, that time we already have antibodies. We already have antibodies against that particular pathogen. That time these antibodies kill that pathogen, and that is of सेकेंडरी रेस्पॉन्स. फर्स्ट टाइम में ऑलरेडी कुछ नहीं था बॉडी में, परंतु धीरे धीरे एंटीबॉडी प्रिपेयर हुई तो उसको प्राइमरी रेस्पॉन्स कहेंगे, ये स्लो होता है. सेकेंडरी रेस्पॉन्स में ऑलरेडी जब सेम पैथोजन अटैक करता है तो बॉडी के अंदर ऑलरेडी एंटीबॉडीज बनी हुई है, वो एंटीबॉडी उस पैथोजन को इमीडिएट किल कर देती है, उसको इंटेंस रेस्पॉन्स कह सकते हैं, और दैट इज टाइप ऑफ सेकेंडरी रेस्पॉन्स. तो टू टाइप्स ऑफ रेस्पॉन्स गिवन बाय आवर बॉडी. फर्स्ट वन इज ऑफ primary response which gives slow response, and second is of secondary response which gives intense response against the particular pathogen or foreign protein.